Hi, today I'm Friday for Nokia and I'm PureView and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should open the settings and then tap to the display section. Click to wallpaper and you'll see here your photos from your device gallery or default wallpapers from your device. Let's use one from the available wallpapers. Tap on the right upper corner set wallpaper and select lock screen. Wallpaper set successfully. So let's just lock the device. And we could see that our device we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. Also, we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger and tap the wallpapers icon. By the same way, just select one from the available wallpapers, tap to set wallpaper, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.